guys, this is Zach at ZRTS. I wanted to read you on a new product that's in development right now. It should be launching soon in the next couple of weeks. This is our Walther PDP or PPQ capture guide rod. So a lot of people have been having trouble installing in the field, competition, you're changing your springs. It's a little finicky to feed in that 15-pound spring into your pistol. So we kind of added a little feature to our new line of guide rods here, and that's that they are capture. And so it's the same basic system. So stainless steel guide rod, you have fluid on, and then you put a snap ring groove in it, and we put a heavy duty continuous snap ring on there. So same mil-spec brass and black oxide washer on the end that goes seats in the slide. We're going to offer these preloaded, but we're also going to sell a kit to install them, because it is very difficult to install a spring. Not only are you putting the spring onto the rod and the washer, but you're adding the complexity of fishing that little snap ring around in the small groove as well. So we're going to sell an install kit, these little tools that we're water jetting here in-house, just a flat little aluminum tool with a key ring on it, and that lets you load the spring, compress it, and then install this small snap ring to retain it. So the cool feature about this system is, when people were talking about failure, what's the downside? It's not a fastener that can come out and dislodge. So if this, for some reason, we've tested it, we've thrown these against the wall, and that snap ring isn't loaded. That's what's cool. There's no load on it except when it's out of the pistol. When it's installed in the pistol, all the load is off of it, and that snap ring is through this front of the slide and isn't taking any load. But worst case scenario, if the snap ring fails, well, then you just have an uncaptured guide rod. So everything still functions in the seated as is. The washer's still in the slide, the guide rod's still through the washer. So there's no real downside risk. But like I said, installing this, loading these up will be a bear. We're going to sell them preloaded just for ease of user install. But we will sell a kit with extra snap rings, different spring weights, and then our install tool. Should be coming soon here in the next couple weeks. Thanks.